Hello friends, I'm Muskan. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn about React Native Flexbox. With Flexbox, we can create dynamic views across different mobile screen sizes. This is super useful because there are multiple screens out there and we really don't want to write custom code for each one. So let's understand this with code. So first I'm going to import style sheet from React Native. And then I'm going to create instance of style sheet with stylesheet.create. I'm going to add a object for the style. Here I'm going to apply styles.container, and in container I will give flex1. Flex1 tells our view to take all the available space. So I'm giving background color, and here you can see it takes all the available space which visible on the screen. Now I'm going to remove it. And now if I add a new component in the parent component, I will give style of this component styles.box1, and in box1 I will give flex1 background color caddy blue. Let's save it. You can see it takes all the available space because we give it a flex1. Now if I'm going to add one more view here with box2 styles, I'm going to copy this and change background color. And you can see the screen space is split in two. And if I add one more children component, I'm changing its background color. So you can see screen splits in 3, and that's because Flex defines the ratio between children component. Here all views takes up 1/3 of the screen. If I change second view Flex to 2, then it takes double space compared to first and 3. Now we will see use of Flexbox to dynamically distribute child component. I'm giving height width of all the children component. And giving flex direction to the parent view. Here you can see we have 4 values right here. Column is the default value of flex direction. So I'm giving a raw direction to the parent view. You can see here flex direction sets flexbox main axis, and it's apply on the children's because we are given flex direction to the parent view. It can be either row or column. By default it's set it to column. We can also give row reverse and column reverse here. So let's have a look. If I will give row reverse here, it will align to the reverse here, you can see. And if I will give column, so it's by default in a column, and if I will give column reverse, then it's set to the bottom of the screen right here. Once we set our main axis in the column direction, we can distribute components along that axis using justify content. Flex start puts everything at the beginning of the parent view. Flex end puts component at the end. Center bundles all the component in the middle. Space between evenly distributes space between components. First item with the very start and last item at the very end. Space around evenly distribute space around all the child component. We can also distribute blocks across the main axis using align item. Flex start puts component across to the left of the main axis. Flex end puts blocks to the right. Center aligns all component in the middle. We can achieve almost all layout by using a combination of flex direction, justify content and align items. And that's it there is to Flexbox. Thanks for watching. If you found something useful, please do like, share and subscribe.